Hello, my name is Maisha and I am the owner of Plentiful Hair Studio, located at 17504 East Carriageway Drive, Suite D in Hazel Crest, Illinois, 60429. I want to make a quick video to let you know who I am and what I do. I have been specializing in hair extensions and non-surgical hair replacement for the past 15 years. I started off doing hair extensions, and my clientele kind of naturally progressed into clients who seek hair extensions to cover hair loss or different areas of recession. In the beginning, I didn't really know what to do. So if I couldn't do a wig or if I couldn't do a sew-in, then I would try to recommend that they go see a doctor. But then I learned more about non-surgical hair replacement, and I learned that there are so many different options for men and women that look totally natural. After that journey, I started my journey into trichology. And in trichology, that's studies of scalp and hair loss. The main reason I'm here today is because I get a lot of questions asking me what exactly is non-surgical hair replacement, and it is exactly what it sounds like. Most people ask me if I am doing surgery, which I am not. I provide hair systems and units for men and women who experience hair loss. We have different options. We have options for active clients or more clients who don't really get out and sweat a lot. We have so many different options, and I realized that during the journey into finding out about hair replacement, I couldn't find a lot of information. So I wanted to make this video to let you know that if you have any questions or if you want to learn anything about hair replacement, just go to my website at www.plentifulhairstudio.com. and there's a contact us tab. Just send me an email and I'll try to answer your questions, because I understand what it's like. I could not find anything about it at all because it's not a lot of information about it online. Because when you get your extensions done, you get your hair done, you tell your friends. But if you get any type of non-surgical hair replacement or hair loss treatment, that's a little more private. So that's not really something that people are willing to share and give a lot of information. So again, my website is www.plentifulhairstudio.com. Please feel free to shoot me any questions or concerns you might have. My number is 708-529-6000. Again, this is Plentiful Hair Studio, and I look forward to hearing from you.